Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share with you a few things that I picked up online from various places, and they've just been coming in the last week and a half or so, so I thought I would share with you what I picked up. The first store is Joann's. Now I normally don't shop at Joann's very often, however they had a sale online, so I decided to pick up a few things. This one they had, but they were sold out, so I never got to purchase it. It is by Cricut, and it's double-sided paper, and there's 12 sheets in here. And I know you guys have probably seen it, but it is double-sided. And I'll share with you really quick what it looks like, because I have a lot to share with you guys. So I didn't have this one. I wish they had more paper in here. But there's only like a few. But $8, I was okay with that. And I think normally, I forgot normally how much this is, but $8 is pretty good. So I picked up that. And you guys know that Joann's online has different things than in the store, like a lot of things. So I've been eyeing this stamp set for a while now, and it's called We Stand With You. And it's by a company I've never heard of. It's called the Stamping Village. So this is called We Stand By You, and I love it. Super cute. The hands of friendship have no color. Love it. So I picked up that. That was on sale, and then I got some beads here that were on sale as well. Let me just grab it for you. So I picked up two of these. These were on sale. I think these were doorbusters. So I picked up two of these. These are the Hildy and Joe clay beads. Picked up that. And then I also picked up these. And they're so cute. They're glass beads. And there's like, it's like in the same color family, but just different types of beads. And I thought that was so cute because I thought I would make a stretchy, stackable bracelet with this. So I got it in this color. And if you guys want to see the SKU, that is the SKU there. I got it in that color. And then I also got it in this like pink berry color. Super cute. See, I love the variations of the different beads on here and the colors. Got that one. And then they had a few different ones, but these are the only three that I purchased. And then they had this one, of course, the turquoise color with the different beads. So that is what I picked up from Joann's online. And then from, where did I get this? Oh, great. Not sure where I purchased this from. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know where the receipt or anything where the packaging went, but however, it is by Mama Elephant, and I seen this on Jenny, who is a crafty Hilo girl here on YouTube. Look at how stinking cute that is, you guys. It is called Milkshake. So I picked this up online. I'm sure they have it on a few different websites, but this is the stamp, and then I also got the die. Super cute. I thought that was super cute, and I seen a lot of these stamped and colored, and they are super adorable. Now, I'm not the best colorist, but I'm gonna try. So cute. So I picked up that, and then I've purchased, you guys seen my hauls before. This is from Vanessa. Vanessa's at Butterfly Reflections Inc. And I just picked up a few Nuvo drops. Just dump it out here. So I don't have very many Nuvo drops, so I thought I would purchase them. These are the crystal drops. They have so many different kinds, but I decided to get the crystal drops. And this color is apple green. And then this one is simply white. And then this color is Calming Aqua. This is such a pretty color. And these bags are sealed. There's this color here, and that is Caribbean Ocean. I was looking for a yellow, but they're sold out. They didn't have any yellow because I've seen a few cute yellow, really pretty yellow colors, but I guess it's a popular color because everybody's buying it out. Soft mint. Super pretty. So those are the two colors of the greens and the turquoise. And then this one is called Bubblegum Blush. And the last one I got is just the black and the crystal drops. And it's called Ebony Black. So I got those from Butterfly Reflections Inc. And then, let's see, Cat Scrappiness. Love her site. Cat Scrappiness. I buy a lot of dies and stamps from her. They came out, I guess, they came out with slimline, but these are the mini slimline dies. So I thought I would pick them up. So they're a lot smaller than the regular slimline products. But this is the mini. And it comes with 1, 2, 4 borders. And this is the scallop one and this one. It doesn't have a name on it. Wait, where's my receipt? Okay. So this one here is called Mini Slimline Scallop Edge Die. Okay, it's that one. And then I also picked up this one, which is the double stitch mini slimline. So picked up that, and then so excited because as soon as I got this email for this last item, well, it's not the last item, but it's from scrapbook.com. As soon as I got the email, I had to order it because it is so super cute. I seen it on the Sizzix website, but they didn't have it available to purchase yet. So I got it. It's this cute bow. And this is called, is there a name on here? 3D bow. So I guess that's the number. Sorry, you could see myself here. So isn't that super cute? Super cute. So I picked that up, and that is from scrapbook.com. And then Greeting Farm, I purchased their newest release. And she is called Coffee Cup Anya. Look at how stinking cute. Isn't that cute? She's in a coffee cup. Like a to-go coffee cup. Because she has the lid on her head and she's in a coffee cup. I thought that was super adorable. So I picked up that. And then, last but not least, if I can find the website, the link, I will put it down below in the description box. I found these on, where did I find these on? AliExpress. So they come with a few. I think there's like 8 in here. They come with 8. So I bought these little containers. They are super cute. They are rainbow containers, like clear. And what it is it has a clear top and the bottom is white, and you can put little goodies in there. Let me just try to open it, and it's very secure because I have a hard time opening it. But that is that you can put when you do racks or swaps, you can put like sequins or goodies in there. So I thought this was super cute, and I will look for the link and post it down below so you guys can go check them out. And they have, I believe they have different colors. So I just got that from Ali. So that is my collective crafty fun haul from the past couple weeks, and I hope everybody enjoys their weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.